पर होटल और रेस्टोरेंट वालों ने दावा करना शुरू कर दिया कि उनके पास कमर्शियल एलपीजी सिलेंडर की बहुत कमी हो गई।
Has tightened rules on the use of cooking gas as supply concerns grow amid tensions in West Asia.
So India is suddenly hearing a new phrase: gas crisis. LPG shortages, PNG supply worries, cylinder prices rising.
Energy crisis caused by the war in Iran and the effective closure of the Strait of Hormuz. Thousands of migrant workers are leaving big cities and returning to their home villages because they can't get gas to cook their meals.
की आग अब भारत की रसोई तक पहुंच गई है। ईरान इजराइल युद्ध ने समुद्र के रास्ते बंद कर दिए हैं और नतीजा आपके सामने है। दुनिया का दूसरा सबसे बड़ा एलपीजी खरीदार भारत आज एक बड़े संकट के मुहायने पर खड़ा है। कारण है स्ट्रेट ऑफ हॉर्मुज।
Welcome to Economics and Financial Foresight Strategies. We are presenting rationale of India's LPG shortage and energy crisis. A flame flicker on your kitchen stove, then dies. No warning, just silence. Morning chai impossible. You check your LPG app, delayed. You call the distributor, no response. Outside, delivery truck aren't moving. By evening, prices jump to ₹60. Overnight to 900 above. By night, whisper spread. Cylinder चाहिए? 1200 लगेगा. Grey market. Restaurant 4,500, even 5,000 in a black or grey market. This isn't a glitch. This is a 33 crore Ujjwala household staring at a cold stove. When pressure build 5,000 km away in the Strait of Hormuz. Tanker like Jagvikram creep through the Hormuz post ceasefire, but delay hit home hard.
3 weeks post-April 7 ceasefire broke by Pakistan, China after Iran, US, Israel clashes.
Headlines scream relief, missile stop, but supply chain ignore headline. They obey physics, risk and insurance. Tanker traffic trickle at 70% capacity, premium up 300%. Weekly LPG inflow down 30% from 3.2 lakh tons. Booking fell from 88 lakh, panic peak to 48 lakh daily. Yet 45% of urban home wait 7 to 10 days. Prices stabilize high. Commercial cylinder around 1900, whereas in a grey market prices are around 5,000 rupees. Blackout grip 40% Gujarat home. Dhaba shutter 10,000 in Tamil Nadu. The jam linger. Your queue just got longer. How bad in your city? The relationship between India's energy security and Qatari gas is usually invisible. A silent, steady heartbeat of 1.2 lakh ton of LPG flowing weekly through the 21-mile wide Strait of Hormuz. That is around 85% of the gas consumption in India. But in March 2026, the heartbeat flattered when Iranian missile strike slammed into the Ras Laffan facilities. Crisis unfold. For 72 hours, fire raged across Qatar Energy LNG trains, knocking out 50% of their processing capacity. As European repair crews scrambled to their side, Qatar was forced to declare force majeure, slashing export to India by 0.8 million tons. India's reliance on Qatar plunged from a steady 35% to precarious 22%. Even after ceasefire was broke, the scars remain, lingering damage cap recovery at 75%, leaving the supply chain hobbled.
Have knocked out nearly 17% of its LNG export capacity, and that has direct implications for India, which imports about 20% of its natural gas from Qatar. With supplies disrupted for as long as 3 to 5 years, viewer, global LNG markets are expected to tighten, pushing up spot prices and increasing India's import bill. This is
The fragility of this connection is staggering. In normal month, Indian refinery churn out 60,000 tons daily to cover 62% of nation's need. In a true worst-case blockade of the Hormuz, the reserve drain, India 12-day reserve would evaporate in just 10 days. The black market prices would skyrocket, with domestic cylinder hitting 1,800 and commercial rates spiraling around 5,000 to 8,000. Economic paralysis. Families would be forced to stay single cylinder for 25 days. Food inflation would leap by 20%. An industrial hub like Morbi ceramic sector would face losses exceeding 5,000 crore rupees. With oil at $120 per barrel, the nation's GDP could dip around 2%. Despite looming interconnected fragility, the Indian government has maintained a posture aggressive resilience. Petroleum Minister Harshdeep Singh Puri framed the crisis not as shortage but as a temporary distortion, vowing that the kitchen of 33 crore families would remain protected.
And 7. This structural diversification, built through sustained policy over successive years, has given us options that other nations find themselves without. Refineries are operating at high capacity utilization. In several cases, they are exceeding 100%. There is no shortage of petrol, diesel, kerosene, ATF or fuel oil. The availability of petrol, diesel, aviation, turbine fuel, kerosene and fuel oil is fully assured. Retail outlets across the country are stocked and supply chains for these products are functioning normally. Additional allocation of
The response was swift and multi-layer. Immediate enforcement, authorities launched raid under LPG control order, seizing 3,000 tons from hoarders. Domestic ramp-up, refineries boosted output to 65,000 tons, prioritizing hospital and homes. While the 12,000 crore rupees in Ujjwala subsidies keep the prices flow at 630 rupees for the vulnerable, the long game to ensure no stores go cold. India diversifying its portfolio toward Nigeria and the US while aggressively drilling in the KG basin. The goal is clear: transition from reacting to whims of a Strait of Hormuz to building a future of domestic resilience. The flicker wasn't inconvenience, it was a wake-up. Ceasefire meant Qatar warns, government rebuilt, energy security. Now daily reality, multi-route, PNG everywhere, reserve tripled, US signal. Surrender duplicate via My LPG, stock 2 legally, PNG switch ready. Next Hormuz Timor, India bend doesn't break. Like if your chai waited, subscribe for economic and financial foresight strategies.